What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make roast carrots and potatoes, a hearty meal that'll warm up your belly. So let's get it ready, shall we? Come on, baby. Ooh, yes, sir. The roast carrots and potatoes. Now, the great thing about doing this in the crock pot is you can set it up before you go to work. You know, kind of get everything prepped the night before. And when right by the time that you get ready to go to work, then you can throw everything in. And if you set it on low, it's going to take about 6 to 8 hours. Now, that's about the standard time of your indentured, going to work. So, we'll go ahead and get this started now. And like I say, by the time you get home and it's cold outside, what are you cooking? But I got to tell you, if you think you're hungry now, just wait until tonight, girl. The food will be long gone. Oh, excuse me. Got to a little Bobby Womack there. Woo! The vapors, baby. Let's go ahead and get the ball rolling. Gonna take our lid off here. We got this set on low, so like I said, 6 to 8 hours, and that'll make everything good and tender. Just delicious, baby. First thing we're gonna do, take our big old roast and set it right down there in the bottom. Now, we've already got our potatoes and onions diced up, so the next thing that we'll do is grab our potatoes and we'll flop them right in there on top. Good stuff, baby, all the good stuff. Then once we get our potatoes in there, we will go ahead and grab them old onions, baby. Now, the onion, you can use a yellow onion if you want to, white onion, or you don't have to use onion at all. But to me, it gives it that good flavor. So we're gonna take it out and sprinkle them right on the top, baby. Once you get your onions placed in there perfectly and right on top, then you can take your carrots and dump them in too, baby. Already looks good, doesn't it? Now, we got everything in. Last thing we're going to add is our beef broth. But you know what? I've got a little bit of that garlic left from the last episode I did where I made the meaty balls. So we'll twist the top off of that. Ooh, that stinks, but it's going to taste good. We take a little teaspoon of that and just put it in there right on top, baby. Good stuff. Now, got the garlic, got all our vegetables in there. Let's add that beef broth, baby. Now, you can also get some beef stock and mix it with some water and do the same thing. To me, this is easier, cheaper, and gonna taste pretty damn good. Drip, 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 drip. Right on top, baby. Now, last but not least, what do we do with everything, baby? Like you already should know. You was probably telling me, like, I will where's the salt and pepper? I was getting there, man. Give me a damn break. Shit, get off my back. Now, a little salt and pepper on top of that. And we'll be good to go. We'll put that lid on there. We'll go to work. We'll do whatever we got to do. We'll go drink a few beers, watch some TV, take the dog outside. Hell, whatever you want to do, baby. Just do it to it. And I'll be back with you when this roast is ready. And we'll get to grooving. See you then, baby. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Man, it's wild outside. All kinds of snow, ice, and cold bullshit. But you know what's great? We can come in the house and the whole house smells like a roast, baby. It's been about 8 hours and this sucker is just about done. And so we're gonna pull it out and have some fun. We'll go ahead and take the lid off and we're gonna pull our roast out and put it on that cutting board. And then we are going to take our forks, just like we have when we make barbecued pulled beef or any kind of pulled meat, and pull it apart. And then when we get it right back in our old bubbling pot right here, then we'll be ready to have a bite. And I'm ready tonight because it's been a long time, baby. Yes, let's get ready. I'll see you then. Alright, baby, the time has come. The roast carrots and potatoes are done, and I'm having the first bite. For you know who? The whole house smells like a house, but a house is not a house without some roast carrots and potatoes. That is just delicious, baby. Tastes like home in a nutshell. Not too hard to make either. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy your meal, and I will see you next time, baby. Got to go. Got to go.